Namaskara friends. Today let's learn Kannada few words in a fun way. That is, today I came up with some quizzes. Yay, you are excited, right? Okay. So let's start with the first question. First quiz question. Which one means cat? Which one means cat? Is it A, nai? Is it B, hasu? Or is it C, Bekku? I'll repeat again. Is it A, Nai, B, Hasu, or C, Bekku? Think. Yes, you are right. It is C, Bekku. Now write the answer in the comment as 1C. Okay, now let's go with the second quiz. Which one means banana? Is it A, sebu, B, ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು, or C, drakshi? I'll repeat again. Is it A, sebu? Is it B, ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು, or is it drakshi? Yes, you are right again. It is B. Balehannu means banana in Kannada. Now again, let's go to our third quiz. What is water in Kannada? I think many of you might be knowing, right? Can you guess before giving the options? Okay, the options are first A, Niru, second B, Uta, or the third C, Money. I know many have already got. Yes, it's Niru. Niru means water in Kannada. You guessed right. Yay! Now let's go to our fourth quiz. Let's start. What do we call book in Kannada? Which one means book in Kannada? Is it A, Mane? Is it B, Pustaka? Or is it C, Hoovu? Is it Mane or Pustaka or Hoovu? Can you tell me, is it A, B, or C? Is it C? No. It's B. Yes. Pustaka. Pustaka means book. Pustaka means book. This is the end of our quiz time. Let's meet again tomorrow for the next quiz. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to write all your guest answers in the comment below. Thank you. Bye.